guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight's dinner we're going to make steak and potatoes. The approximate measurement for my dry rub I will leave it in the description box below, but my steak has already been washed with lime and water. I'm making it in the oven, not in the cast iron pot today, but I have some melted butter here. Can I help you? I have some melted butter here, and I'm going to go ahead and add my dry rub to that and then apply it to my steak. I'll just mix that in. And I use this pure Irish butter. Rub that on the steak. Okay, so I finished seasoning the steak. I'm just gonna let it sit and marinate for about 30 minutes before adding it to the oven, because this is not going to take long to bake, 8 to 10 minutes tops. So while this is marinating, I'm gonna go ahead and work on my potatoes, and I'll show you guys that process. So I have some rosette potatoes here, and I'm not going to use entire one, so this is like 5 pounds. I don't want that much. Thinking if I want to make mashed potatoes or something else. I'm not 100% sure yet what I'm going to do. But yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8 potatoes, that should be good. First thing I'm gonna do is peel these. Okay, so potatoes are done. I'm gonna put them in some cold water and then clean up this counter. So now I'm going to cut up these potatoes. I'm going to cut them in cubes because I think I'm going to make mashed potato and just call it a day. Potatoes are all cut and ready. So now I'm going to prepare the pot for the potatoes to boil. This is our pot for our potatoes. And add some salt to the water. Alright, so I'm going to add my potatoes to the water. So I'm just gonna have this cook until for tender. Then we make our mashed potato. So now I'm gonna add my steak to the oven. I'm gonna bake those for 8 to 10 minutes. Now I am going to remove my steak after 10 minutes. I'm gonna allow it to sit. Just gonna let that sit and rest. And I'm gonna check on my potatoes. These should be ready. Alright. So that is ready as well. For the potatoes, you need 2 cups of heavy cream, some butter, thyme. I'm using dry thyme, but fresh thyme is best, and some garlic. I'm also gonna add some black pepper. Not too much. That should be good. So I'm just gonna bring this to a simmer, and then we add it to our potatoes. So for your potatoes, you can mash it however you want. You can use a potato ricer. You can use a handheld blender. I'm just using this wooden spoon this time. Now I'm just gonna strain this into the potatoes. Get my handheld blender. So I'm going to add a little more salt to it because it needs just a little salt, and I'm also going to add some Italian seasoning. Unfortunately, my phone died before I was able to make a video of me making the steak sauce. However, I will have the ingredients and the approximate measurements in the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As always, thank you guys for watching. Bye!